You're on the clock.
E-rigger is supposed to run?
Oh, 1 minute, 45 seconds to mill time.
Watch your lanes when you're out there, everybody. We'll call dead boats.
One minute, 30 seconds to mill time. One minute, 15 seconds to mill time. One minute to mill time.
Dead boat in the launch. Dead boat in the launch. Dead boat in the launch. Right there's about lane 15, but if you guys take a look at it and find it, it'll be there, it'll be a play in the middle. Watch when you guys cut half course that you don't cut off the boat next to you, on the inside of you. We have 4 boats out there running. There's a dead boat in the front straight. Have all of you guys picked up that dead boat? I'm hoping you've all picked it up, you've all been by it. Okay, we need
15 seconds
15 seconds to mill, so we're going to let it run all the way to mill. Don't forget about that dead boat, especially in the start.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19.
Set. There's that dead boat. Oh, that's a penalty.
14.
Penalty
13,
right here on Jim.
12, 11,
On Jim.
10,
Jim.
9, 8, 7, 6. Committed. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mike Malarkey jumped. The outside red and white boat jumped. Junior, how many laps do you have? Lead boat, red and white, wood boat there. Second place boat. Mike owes me a lap. This is your third place. Oh no, that boat owes me a lap too. Mike, you're in third place. Jim, you're in fourth. Three laps down for your 2 lead boats. Four laps down. The last lap for your 2 lead boats. Last lap, Mike owes me 2 laps. Jim owes me 2 laps. Finish, take it wide, people are still racing, take it wide. Finish. Last lap for Mike. We have people still racing, let them race. Last lap, Jim. Oh, you could have brought it in that time. Okay, yep, finish. Everyone's finished. Cut the course, bring it in. Bring it parallel to shore. Parallel to shore. Do not bring it directly at me. Okay, we have a first place finish for Don. Second for Kevin. Third for Mike.
You're on the clock.
In the backup is P Limited Offshore.
One minute, 45 seconds to mill time. 1 minute, 30 seconds to mill time.
All right, we have 3 of the 4 boats away. Speed limit in mono. If you have one, you should be taping up. I'm sorry, B-Hydro is next.
15 seconds to mill time.
B-Hydro is in the backup. I said that all wrong. B-Hydro is in the backup. We have all of our drivers, the boats are running, pitmen are up.
1 minute to mill time.
I'm going to put you on mill. Sorry.
27, 26,
You're on mill. My bad.
24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, do not take lane 1 from them. Guys, that's a beautiful turn, everybody. I appreciate that turn. It was a beautiful turn. Nobody took anything from anybody. We got a race going. Yep. 2 laps down for your 2 lead boats. There's a piece of foam floating out there. The 2 lead boats went by it, exit of turn 2. It won't hurt anybody, but just if you see it. Three down. Dead boat back straight. Last lap, David. Dead boat back straight. Finish for David. Finish for Daniel. I have a question for Dave, though.